Hi, welcome to question 41 of the STARR review. On map scale, 2 inches represents 60 miles. Which graph best shows the relationship between x, the number of inches on map, and y, the actual distance? So we are looking for a graph that can correctly represent the relationship between the number of inches and the actual distance. And we were told that 2 inches represents 60 miles. So this is a given information. And we just need to use this criteria to test all the 4 graphs. So let's try choice A first. Choice A, 2 inches. That means x is 2. When x is 2, there's a data point here. For this data point, the corresponding y, the actual distance is here. The actual distance is between 100 and 125. Could it possibly be 60? No, because 60 should be down below. So here it cannot be 60. So this one does not pass the test. Let's look at graph B. When x, the inches on map, is 2, the data point is here. Now for this data point, the corresponding y, the corresponding actual distance, it is also between 100 and 125. It cannot be 60. So this one, no. Okay, choice C. When x is 2, for 2 inches on the map, the data point is here. For this data point, the corresponding y, the actual distance, it's in the middle of 50 and 75. It could possibly be a 60, so C is a possible answer. But let's check D just to make sure. D, when x is 2, for 2 inches on the map, the data point is here. For this data point, the corresponding y, the actual distance, is more than 175. It's between 175 and 200. There's no way it could be a 60, so this one is not a correct representation. So that leaves C as the only possible answer. So what we did is we read the graph and we just check when x is 2, what is the y, what is the actual distance represented with this graph, and then we find out the correct answer and we solve that problem. Peace.